So this is the cheapest hostel in Dalat. It's just under $5. It's about £3.50. So I'll give you a quick tour of the hostel and you can let me know what you think. So let's give you a quick walkthrough. So plenty of places to put your bike if you just want to leave it close to the hostel. You have to put your shoes outside before you enter. Nice little pond on the right hand side. So as we enter on the right, a common area, and you'll have this lovely dog waiting for you. So we have plenty of games to play, TV. It's a really welcoming entrance. Look at this beauty. But don't worry, he's super happy to see you. Oh, he's just waking up though, so he's a little bit tired. This is the reception area where you will check in. So they do plenty of activities. You can book your buses here. So it's a very, very social hostel. Loads of excursions. So yeah, that's the first entrance hall. So as we walk through to the bar and social area, we have the pool table, which gets super busy at night time. But it's really easy to socialise. I arrived last night and ended up playing pool and chatting with some of the people from the hostel, so that was nice. So yeah, this is a very social hostel. It's not a massively party hostel, but there is music playing till about 10 PM and people drinking and enjoying themselves, so if that's not your cup of tea, then maybe don't book this hostel. So as you walk out, you'll come onto the balcony where you can enjoy the incredible views, where people will have their breakfast. And check out these views. So plenty of places to sit down, enjoy your food, socialise. And they do food and drink. They said 24 hours, but that sounds crazy to me, but that's what they said. So yeah, this is why I booked it, because the views looked amazing. Let's say some games and music you can listen to and play. So this is where my room is. So firstly, this is the bathroom. Again, loads of space, so you're not waiting ages to use the shower or the toilet or any of the sinks. The shower pressure was absolutely brilliant and the water was super hot as well. And into the dorm room. It's a massive dorm room. I'd probably say there was about 15 beds in here, but it was really quiet at night, so that was good. The lockers are huge, which is another bonus. So I'll give you a quick tour of my bed. I got upgraded to a double bed, so that was amazing. The mattress was perfect. We had a fan, we had a plug and a light, so I can't complain. But yeah, plenty of space to lie down and relax. So not a bad spot to do the review of the hostel from. So for the cheapest hostel in Dalat, I was super impressed. I actually couldn't believe what you got included for the price. I mean, the social side of the hostel is brilliant, so if you really like socialising, it's a great hostel to go to. They've got loads of games, they've got a pool table, they've got a nice balcony area. The bar's open 24/7, so you can get a drink and food, which is, to be honest, is amazing. When he said it was open 24/7, I was super shocked. They've got an amazing dog there that's really big, so if you love dogs, that's a bonus. They actually upgraded me to a double bed, so I was super happy with that. Again, I paid just under $5 for this hostel, so I really wasn't expecting much. And I slept brilliantly. So my hostel dorm was downstairs, so I couldn't hear any of the noise from upstairs. I think the music stops about 10 o'clock at night or 10:30, I can't remember, but around that time. But you can't really hear it downstairs anyway, so you'll be able to get a decent night's sleep if you need to go sleep early. The staff was super friendly. There's loads of tours they offer, and they can help you with your transport, and you can also rent bikes from there.
So it's a really well-equipped hostel if you want to stay there. It is a little bit further out the city centre than perhaps some other hostels, but it's nothing that a 10-minute grab bike won't sort out. So I had breakfast in the morning and I just had a fruit bowl with some yogurts. That was brilliant. So that cost me 50,000, so that's about £1.50 or $2 US, and that was delicious. So that was really nice. So the bathroom area, the pressure's brilliant. It's a really hot shower, which is nice. There's plenty of space, so you're not waiting for the shower or anything like that. So that's great. You've got lockers as well, so you can put away your stuff and make sure it's all secure. So time for the rating. I'm going to go an 8.8. I think it's absolutely incredible value to stay in Dalat for under $5 in a place that's just amazing anyway. I think it's such good value. I mean, look at where I am now. You can come and explore places like this. There's so much to see and do. I'd highly recommend booking the hostel for at least 3 nights, and you can fill your days seeing so many different things. There's so many amazing cafes. There's loads of cool restaurants. There's loads of activities and things to do. So you won't be bored. And yeah, I really am happy I booked the hostel. So check it out if you want to visit it. And if you like this video, drop me a like and subscribe. But if not, hopefully I'll see you in the next video.